Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the best sticker app for WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first things first, head on over to your Play Store. And now from here, you want to go ahead and do a search. Now in that search, we want to type in sticker.ly, then hit enter. Now here it is here, so it's got over 100 million downloads and 2 million reviews. So go ahead and click into it and then click on install. So go ahead and download and install that. Once that's installed, go ahead and open that up. So I'm just going to pause this video and get back to you once that is done. Okay, so once we're inside here, we want to go ahead and click on get started, click on continue, continue again. Basically just keep going through that. So there might be a pop-up where you need to pay, but don't worry, go ahead and click on that cross at the top left. And then we need to sign into sticker.ly. So we can continue with our Facebook or continue with our Google account. I'm just going to do Google. All right, I've chosen my account. Now I'm going to not allow notifications. Now, as you can see inside of here on the home tab, we've got all these different stickers we can add to WhatsApp. So we can add the modes and reactions. So we can see there's over 900 downloads for this. We got cats, emoji, funny babies, brats. There's a whole heap. Different range of different niches inside of here for that. You can look for you, creator, trending, what stickers are trending, go ahead and add them to following. Now say on my For You page, if I want to go ahead and add the cat sticker, I want to go ahead and click on to add. But the problem with this though, this is not part of free. So you can try 3 days for free. There is a price for that, but I'm not going to worry about that because who really wants to pay? But if you really do like it, you can pay. But if there is an ad here, so you can add this, but there is an ad, so add. So if I want to do a troll face for this demonstration, I've got to watch an ad as well. So it's going to download, and then we need to watch an ad to get that onto our WhatsApp application. So the ad's probably going to be 30 seconds long, and then you just wait that out. Okay, so that ad was probably about a minute in length. So it'll say, would you like to add troll face sticker to WhatsApp? Go ahead and click on to add. And now it should say troll face has been added to WhatsApp. So if we go ahead and go to WhatsApp, and then from here, I'm just inside of a test group here. We want to go to stickers. So where's stickers? Here it is here. If we just scroll down, there it is here, troll face. So we can add one of their stickers on here. So yeah, it's simple as that, how to add the best sticker app for WhatsApp trending